All right, you guys, this is a monumental moment for us. Good has finished its 2200th hour. They just landed right now. It's exactly on 2200 hours. What does that mean for the Cabri? The Cabri gets a bit of an overhaul at 2200 hours. Not a huge one, but the engine and the two gearboxes get replaced and overhauled. So this thing is gonna go into the hangar right now. It's gonna get stripped apart. We're gonna try and do this in 4 days, you guys. Everybody else in the hangar thinks I'm crazy. Maybe I am, I don't know. We're gonna try and see if we can get it all out, cleaned up, everything back in, ready to fly in 4 days. I'm just gonna show you guys and let's see how it goes.
So what the niche LDK is done by lunchtime, and then it's like, okay, and then engine dropped by the end of the day.
Test our balance here.
It's definitely flat. These ends are flat. These ends are flat.
Yeah, you're right. That's a.
That's this one here. Need a bit of a take that off. Pizza? We getting pizza? All right, guys, so it does turn out that I am a little bit crazy. I think everybody knew that, but yeah, I was hoping for 4 days to get this whole project done. As you saw, it was a very, very big job. I knew 4 days was a little unrealistic, but I was hoping for maybe a week. Today is 15 days, and we are, believe it or not, we're about to run this thing up. So we have completed everything. It's all been double checked, made sure it's all good. We have to do a couple of runs. So right now we're gonna do a run on the tail rotor gearbox, make sure the tail rotor is balanced. And then we're gonna move the gear up to the main rotor, check that the main rotor is balanced, and then we can put the cowling back on, and this job is finished. It's crazy. We calculated very roughly that it took about 245 man hours to complete this job. We had some days where there was only 1 or 2 people working on it, but some days where we actually had like 6 or 7 people working on it. We had students pitching in. They were cleaning parts. We had you know, all the parts that come off the engine, all the cowling parts and everything. They all need to get cleaned. Inside the compartment where the main rotor gearbox is in, gets really dirty because all the sand and everything gets stuck in there. And so you got to do lots of cleaning in there and stuff like that as well. So we had lots and lots of people helping us out. And yeah, Sancho and Tay kind of led the charge on it, and we were all pitching in a hand as much as we could to get this project done. It was a big one. I mean, it's absolutely nothing like doing a Robinson overhaul. Those things are, well, most people are taking about 6 months to do one of those, and you're replacing pretty much all the components on it. This thing is only 3 major components: the engine, the main rotor, and the tail rotor gearbox. So it's definitely a lot less, but it's still a pretty big project. So you know, I would say if you have a good team working on it, you want to plan on at least 2 weeks for this job to get it done. That's probably fairly realistic. So maybe a little bit more. We worked hard on it, but anyways, exciting. It's pretty much done. I'm looking forward to seeing it running. I'm looking forward to seeing it back in the fleet. Check this out. It's a super windy day today, so none of the other helicopters are flying right now. We've just got them all rolled out so that we can have some space in the hangar. And we're gusting up to almost 40 knots of wind today. So everything is just sitting, but we're gonna have the whole fleet all back and ready to go flying again. So really excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you found it a little bit informative. It wasn't meant to be like a detailed description of all the different parts of this overhaul, but I just wanted to give you guys just a little visual picture of some of the tasks and what it looks like for everything to come out and go back in. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody that you think would find this interesting. We're gonna talk to you guys on the next one. See ya.